This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the GCam application on it. So in order to get yourself one of the Google camera ports, open the Google search bar or any other search engine that you use, but I reckon that the Google is the most popular and reliable one. At the search bar, type in the GCam query, and well, I would recommend that you go for this particular website, or at least that's the source that I usually use, and well, it always works for me. So once the web page gets loaded, tap at the somewhere in here, it should be the suggested versions. Then, well, simply opt for the most recent one. In this case, it's 8.7. Then download one of those files. You might want to try different ones in order to, well, see what will work best for you. But I'll just go with this one, let's say. Then accept that you would like to download the file. And since the APK is pretty, well, big in terms of a file size, it's 366 megabytes, we will have to wait for a minute or two for it to be downloaded. So, well, let's wait. Alrighty, so once the app was installed, we can start the installation process by tapping on it. So let's wait for the app to be staged first. Then we will allow Google Chrome to install unknown apps, so we can proceed. So grant this permission, then get back to the installation, or actually I'm afraid I will have to reinitiate the installation, which, well, is not too bad, I think. So where are the downloads, please? Here they are. Already, or not. Okay, so how do I access the... Oh, okay. So here are the downloads. So we will start the installation once again and wait for the GCam or camera app to be installed. Alrighty, now let's launch it. In here, just make sure to grant all the necessary permissions that the Google Camera app asks for, and then just enjoy using it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.